So what we do when we do endotracheal intubation, we have to
You okay?
Smell is just
Yeah, I got a lot stronger
all
for
in
some
my
reason.
eyes and good.
so you feel the larynx right there. The
Is that where they slice it? And
this one. See, it's a bigger cartilage than the rest. There's your trachea over there. See that? Right?
This is larynx?
That's the larynx, and this one is the trachea.
Oh,
See, it's
yeah,
harder.
much tougher. Yeah.
Stuffer, yeah. And now that you've taken it out, you see that there's the pharynx, and this one. Do you have a probe? This one goes to the. See, this one goes to the esophagus. There's your esophagus, and then this, which that's different from the trachea. We're going to separate the trachea. See the separation? There. See? We separate the trachea. So the esophagus is collapsed because it's just smooth muscle. If there's no food in there, then it's collapsed. So we cut it all the way up.
Yeah, fine.
Bound together by connective tissue. There. And now you're going to see the epiglottis. So when we do that, it's the tongue that covers it. So this is, remember the tongue, so that's part of the tongue, right, that I cut. So if you look in here, so when we open the mouth of the patient, you go like that, and you look for the epiglottis, and so you keep on looking, and I see it right there. I'm gonna cut this one here so
So
that
just
you can see.
another tongue, like a smaller tongue?
Yeah, right there. So you see that? Look at. Come over here. You see that smaller tongue? Right?
Oh,
You see
okay.
that? Sorry.
yeah, I see it. It's a small
That's
tongue.
what you look for.
Got it.
Do you see that one? I'm gonna take it out. There. See that? There it is. That's the one.
Smaller tongue.
That's the epiglottis. That's the smaller tongue. You look for that when the mouth of the patient's all the way up, open. So open like that, and you'll see that. And that's where we're going to insert. So you see, this is the epiglottis, and it's like this, right? So when we swallow, it folds downwards and backwards. When it folds downwards and backwards, it's going to close the larynx. The larynx is your voice box. So so now we cut this open. So look at this one. You feel the trachea anteriorly, you can't compress it. But posterior, look at, it's collapsible. That's the posterior wall of the trachea, see? There's no, feel it. The cartilage is smooth muscle there, right? Right? And anteriorly. So let's use...
They're all
Can
clean.
you hand me one straw, please? Okay, so we're going to insert our endotracheal tube in there, into the trachea. So again, you look for this epiglottis. And we go. And now you see, observe the lungs, okay?
It's blocked.
There, okay.
Oh, okay.
Now observe. You see it over there?
Mhm.
Did you see it? Okay. Again.
Sorry, guys.
Okay.
Fine.
Want to look at it? 1, 2.
Oh.
Again.
Oh.
1, 2.
Oh.
That's so cool.
You see the air going in there?
Mhm.